Hey, just back in the garage today. Yesterday, I spent quite a few hours just getting my shifter installed here and getting my Integra Dash just kind of bolted up just so I can see. So I did take the factory plates from the Integra and just bolted them up to the factory spot. And then on the inside, because obviously the dash is just a little bit loose, to tighten everything up it's just gonna fit just right there. So you got the OEM spot. Everything fit super nice. I do have to just hook up the bracket for the bottom support. But then also, if you're gonna do this, you can see how much I did have to, there you go. You can see how much I did have to elongate the hole, I guess. I just used just a file and just filed just a little bit and a little bit and a little bit. And as soon as I get it in place, that bolt hole will line up. You also do have to cut literally everything on the inside of here. So all of that. So then once this sits, it'll sit just like that. Just a little bit loose right now, but it's okay. I do have a Ghost push button starter that I'm going to be wiring in right here because I don't have cruise control, so I just use that factory spot. This will be my dimmer switch over here. But yeah, making some pretty good progress. I'm going to have to just take some of the wiring. Everything else will actually clip right in for a 90. So this wiring harness in this dash is out of a 94 to 98, 99 to 01, or no, 2000 to 01. So 94 to 99. 2000 to 01 is a different harness. So all these clips are going to be a little bit different, and the wiring is going to be a little bit different. This will literally all just clip right in. Like I said, I don't have cruise control or ABS or AC or anything like that. So I'm not going to have to worry about hardly anything except for stereo and turn signals and everything. But I'll just de-pin all of these. So then it'll go, so then I can actually clip it into this, because obviously Civic versus Integra, that's the only one that's completely different. But I do always like these billet aluminum shifters. So then I'll cut around and still have a whole centered console and everything for that. So definitely turning out super good. Might have a couple of people that ask me, well, what are you gonna do for the door panels? Which I did get custom aluminum door panels. Which are going to be super awesome. This is actually for the driver's side. Awesome company. I know that they've been around for a while. But anyways, so that'll be my aluminum door panels. And then I do have some carbon fiber vinyl that I'm going to have this, kind of 5D, 3D, whatever you want to call it. So that'll, of course, go on there. I have big sheets of it. But that'll definitely, I think, look really good with the black dash, aluminum door panels. Aluminum door panels, I believe it was from Lightspeed Racing. That's what I'm pretty sure. Yeah, Lightspeed Racing. Their turnaround time was pretty decent. You know, got these door panels, which fit absolutely perfect. Not right now. I just need to take off the rest of everything, but they give you a nice embroider there, and super, super nice quality. You just tell them, hey, I have a 6.5-inch speaker, or I don't have any speakers. And these will all fit right in there as soon as I take everything off. But heck yeah, it's looking pretty good. I just have to button it up.